If you are using Ready Day One Access or Inclusive Access, which means that your students are automatically billed in part of their tuition for their materials, and you've at some point seen a page that looks something like this, then you need to upgrade your Canvas course so that it is using the new version of the Vital Source tool. And I will show you exactly what that means. So even if you have links over here on the left-hand side that say like Cengage or McGraw-Hill or Access Pearson, if you are part of Inclusive Access and students are billed as part of their tuition, they still need the link to be able to opt out by the due date. And notice you may already have the old link, so mine says Course Materials, but that is the old link that is going to stop working soon, and you need to use the new link that I'm going to show you how to add. So first, we're going to go down to Settings at the bottom left of our course. If you can't see that, make sure you click the three lines and that will pop open or closed this menu on the left hand side. So then on the settings page, you need to click on Navigation. And then notice anything here on the left hand side is mirrored over here on the right. So I need to scroll all the way down and find the new link. And the new link is going to be called Publisher Course Materials. If you have the one that says Course Materials, that's the old one. We're looking for the one that says Publisher Course Materials, and it should be very close to the bottom. So then what you're going to do is click the three dots and say Enable. Boop, that's going to pop it up to the top, and then I can click and drag that anywhere that needs to go. So then what I need to do is remember to go all the way back down to the bottom and save. Otherwise, I will have to redo all of that work. And again, this is going to give students the opt-out link to opt out of paying for the books if they want to get it a different way. And for some people, it's also going to give them access to their ebooks or to other publisher materials as well. Now, if you have the old link, so notice I have one that says Course Materials, that's the old one. I need to get rid of it, so go ahead and hit the three dots, say Disable. That's going to pop that all the way down at the bottom. And now, again, remember to hit the Save button. And when I do that, it will refresh, and you can see over here now my course says Publisher Course Materials, and that's how I know I have the new one. So the next place to make this change is on your course homepage or your modules page, wherever you have your modules. And I have two options with this new upgrade where I can link to a specific book or a specific courseware or a specific material. I can also link in my weekly modules to a specific chapter if I want to. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So if I just want to link to the book and maybe put that in my first module, I can hit the plus sign, and then from the drop down I'm going to choose External Tool. So then I'm going to take this inner scroll bar and scroll all the way down to the bottom, and then I'm going to find Vital Source Deep Linking Tool. And so I'm going to click on that. So then I'm going to get this pop-up, and if you have materials assigned to your class by the bookstore as Inclusive Access, then they will appear here. If you don't see your materials or you see the wrong materials, make sure you reach out to the bookstore to get that corrected. So if I want to, I could link to the entire book, and this will take students, when they click on it, to My Math Lab. Or for different materials, you may have the option to link to a specific page. And then from here, you can choose what page or what chapter you want to link to. So for this example, maybe you want to go to your week 1 module and then link to chapter 1. So I'm going to click on that, and then you need to scroll down over here and find the blue Add Materials button. And then it'll add this to your list of materials, almost like a checkout cart. You have to hit Review and Submit, and then that will add the link to Chapter 1 into your module right where you put it.